Do you want to know how you can see your timeline or history on Prime? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can see your Prime timeline or history. So go ahead and open any type of browser and go to primevideo.com, and this is your timeline. So you can see or continue watching over here. To go and watch your timeline history, go ahead and hover around your profile and go to accounts and settings. Click on watch history, and these are your timelines, and you can see that you can delete these. So go ahead and click delete episode from watch history, and you can notice that these will be deleted from your timeline. So if you go back to your Prime Video and scroll down, you can see that continue watching has been updated, and you can now view your timeline with newer contents. So guys, this is how you check your timeline history on Prime Video or Amazon Prime. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.